Good morning, dear students. Hope you are well and safe. Today I am here in English second paper online class again, and today I am here with a new topic, that is voice change in interrogative form. And before starting the discussion thoroughly, I just wanna say that after completing the discussion over the imperative form, we completely that means finished our discussion on voice change, which will be conducted with assertive, interrogative and imperative form. Okay, so let's start to change the sentence in passive form with the imperative one. Before discussion, just I have written the pattern of the imperative sentence, because you have to know it how we will write an imperative sentence. In each and every imperative form, we have to see the presence of main verb and extension. That means imperative sentence is such a type of a sentence where we can't see any kind of subject. Okay, and along with the structure, some examples are given over here, which are imperative sentence, and these are divided in two forms. One is positive and another is negative. That means positive meaning and negative meaning, such as read the magazines, drop the matter, manage the household works. And the sentences has been written in down with the negative form. This is positive meaning, this is negative meaning. All are the examples of the imperative sentence. In the below, the voice change has been shown, the format has been shown in interrogative pattern, and I have written the structure. See, all time imperative sentence, the voice change start with let if the sentence is affirmative, if the sentence is included in positive meaning. That means these three sentences are included with the positive meaning, and if I make a sentence change with passive form, then I have to add in the starting let extension be, only the word be, no need to find out the to be verb. This is the actual one word, that is be, past participle form of main verb. Okay, and two examples I have given which have been changed into passive form. That means read the magazine, the sentences in passive form, that is let the magazines be read. You have to add the let only in the starting, the magazine, then the object will become, then be will be added, then past participle of main verb. As like as the sentence, the next sentence have been changed as follow as the first one, such as drop the matter, and I have changed the sentence let the matter be dropped. Imperative sentence start with the main verb, and imperative sentence in passive form start with let. This is only the different thing that we find apart from the assertive and interrogative sentence. And keyword in the imperative form, that is let, all time the word let is used in finding the passive form with imperative pattern. Okay, so as like as the assertive meaning or in positive meaning, I have seen the change in the form, that is voice change in negative meaning. Okay, so in the negative meaning, the structure is let not extensions be past participle of main verb. Okay, the structure is there, and the sentences after changing in passive form. But before changing, just let me remind you the sentence for one time. I have to change the sentence in passive. That means don't manage the household works. So if I change in passive form, that is let not the household works be managed, only let not. In imperative form, we have to see the pattern in assertive meaning or in negative meaning, that is let or let not respectively. Only these two rules are important in imperative form. Okay, and at last I have written the note actually for your better understanding, because I have said in each and every class in my all kinds of video, just the rules are discussed over there, but you have to check or you have to see for several times so that you can't forget it at any moment. Okay, at last it can be informed by us that imperative with positive meaning start with let, Imperative with negative meaning starts with let not. In imperative sentence, according to voice change, we have to know about only these two rules. If the sentence is positive, you have to start with the word let. If the sentence is negative, you have to start the word with let not. Okay, so these rules are too easy to discuss rather than the assertive and interrogative form. So just my earnest request to all of you to check or to capture each and every step in this video, and just not only in this video but also just revise all kinds of video regarding voice change, so that you can answer any kind of question to each and every class. Okay, thank you so much, keep watching.